जय श्रीमन्नारायण 652nd नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 69th sloka. Om Trilokatmane Namaha. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryah, Sri Rangesa Purohitah, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Trilokatmane Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who will be going around all these three worlds to protect devotees. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one with the name Trilokanatha and present in Mahabodha Kshetram, which is there in Magadha kingdom. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Trilokatmane Namaha. Om Trilokatmane Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindha Kanda, Sri Ramachandra Swami, while hugging Sugriva, he is saying like this: O Sugriva, Jnayatam mama Vaidehi yadi jivati va nava. Let us first inquire that whether Sita is alive or not, and then we should know where is Ravana's residing place. Then once we know Sita is alive and once we know where is Ravana's place, accordingly let both of us again talk to each other and come to a decision. But now to search for Sita, to locate Sita, Tvameva Ajnapaya, you order, you give orders to all your Vanaras. You are the best one to do that, and you know where exactly you have to send all these Vanaras. O Sugriva, you have great knowledge about all these activities, and you have such a great valor. And not only that, on top of this, you are my friend and you are my well-wisher. So that is why you are the best one to carry out entire of this mission. When Rama said like that, Sugriva immediately called on one Vanara. His name is Vinata. Lakshmana also is there. In front of Rama Lakshmana, now Sugriva ordering that Vinata, saying that, O Vinata, to search for Sita, you have to take 1,00,000 Vanaras and Adhigacha Disam Purvam. You go towards east. You have to search in all the mountains, all the forests, all the banks of the rivers, all the banks of the oceans. Everywhere you have to search for Sita, search for Ravana's living place. O Vinata, you go to Nadim, Bhagiradhim, Ramam, Sarayom, Kausikim, Kalindim, Yamunam, Yamunancha Mahagirim, Saraswatim, Sindhum. Go to all these rivers, Ganga, Sarayu, Kausiki, Kalindi, Yamuna, Saraswati, Sindhu, Sona, and search for Sita Devi in the premises of all these rivers. Oh Vinata, then go to the mountain which is known as Yamuna Parvatam. There you have to search. And from there, Mahi, Kalamahi, Brahmamala, Videha, Malava, Kasi, Kosala, all these kingdoms, all these countries, you go there and search for Sita Devi. Not only that, Vinata, you go towards Magadha, Pundra, Vanga, Kosa. All these kingdoms, all these countries, you have to search. And then there are some mountains right in the center of oceans. You have to search there also. And there are some towns right in the center of oceans. You have to search there also. And there is one mountain called Mandaradri. On the top of that Mandaradri, there are some humans are living. In those humans, some of them, they don't have ears. And some of them, they have ears on their lips. And some of them have iron faces. And some of them have only one leg. And some of those humans eats humans itself. They are very dreadful. And some of them have half body, Nara body, human body, and half tiger body. Etesham alayas sarve. Everywhere you have to search for Sita Devi there. Oh Vinata, and after that you have to go to some of the islands. To reach islands, Dvipas, you have to jump and go there. There is one island called Yava Dvipam. That is divided as 7 divisions. So you have to search everywhere for Sita Devi. And from there, there is another island called Suvarna Rupyakam. You have to go there. And there is another mountain called Sisira Parvatam. The top end of this Sisira Parvatam, it seems like it is touching Akasam, sky. There also you have to search for Sita Devi. Devatas, Danavas lives there on that mountain. Etesham Giridurgeshu. Oh Vinata, everywhere you have to search for Ramapatnim Yasasvinim, for Sita Devi. Like this, Sugriva giving orders to Vinata right in front of Sri Ramachandra Swami and Lakshmana Swami. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 69th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Kalanemiha Saurihi Suraha Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesaha Kesavaha Kesiha Harihi. Kalanemiha Sauris Suras Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesah Kesavah Kesiha Harihi. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana. ఓం త్రిలోకాత్మనే నమః. ఓం త్రిలోకాత్మనే నమః. ఓం త్రిలోకాత్మనే నమః.